The last day, Thomas went to see his best friend Percy. Percy was at the working Persia shop. Thomas wanted to see Percy. Hi, Percy. How you doing? Hello, Percy. Thomas. Percy was sad. Thomas saw his friend sad. Hello, Thomas. Why you're sad for? Said Thomas. If I can't be real useful here, I can't have fun. And the worker train came up. The worker train came up. He said, "Please, Percy, no more long faces. You look like squeezed women on wheels. I'll have you fixed by lunchtime." Percy smiled. Thomas said, "After you're fixed, we can play then." Then Thomas chugged out the repair shop. Thomas was going to see Miss Topper Hat. Dash and Dash were waiting for Thomas. Dash, Dash, and Giggle and Jiggle. Ha! And Thomas chugging. "Hello, Thomas," they said. "We are so excited to see you." Said Topper Hat. "I got a important job for you," said Topper Hat. Thomas was glad. "You're going to show them where the train rested," they said. "That's going to take like 10 minutes to show them," said Topper Hat. Thomas was happy. Fast Dash were happy too. "Yes, sir," said Thomas, and he chugged to connect it. Dash and Dash. While I was doing it, he was doing it backwards. So Thomas showed where they're going to rest tonight. Here's the chain table, they said. Move the chain table, Thomas said, and change the chain table. Dash was on the third one. And Dash was in there. And then Dash was on the second one. So he went in there, and they was going to laugh and make jokes. Like Thomas is going to play with Percy. So Thomas went chugging to the compare shop to see his best friend Percy. But Thomas went the wrong way. He didn't know he went the wrong way. Then, boosh! He crashed into the stop gate. So Thomas chugged backwards to go to the other way. Percy was waiting for Thomas until Thomas chugged in there. Hello, Percy. Let's play tag. You're it. So Percy chased after Thomas. So they play together and they have fun. The end.